Hello and welcome to the demo video for Explaindio Video Converter. Now during this video I'm going to show you how simple it is to use the software to convert any of your files into any of the formats that you see listed across the top of the software. So when you first open it up, we do have a lot of options here, and like I said, along the top here we have all the different formats that we can use to convert our videos into any of these that you choose. On the far right, we have our support section, our market section, and our account. Down here along the right-hand side of the software, we have a few different options where we can browse to the video files that we would like to import into the software. We have the ability to join videos where we can checkmark this. We can upload 2 different videos into the software and then export those videos into one video file. We can browse the different files that we have, and we can open different folders to find our video files as well. And then we have our convert option down here at the bottom, which is what we're going to be using to actually convert our videos. And then down here at the bottom left, we can see the different options that we have for each individual file extension. So right now I am on the To Explaindio option, and for that option we have the ability to export in Full HD, Standard HD, or custom dimensions, and when we click on that we can insert our width and our height. Moving along the top here, we have the ability to export to ASF, AVI, Flash, M4V, and then so forth along the top. And for each one that we select here, so MP4 for example, you're going to notice down here at the bottom we have many different exporting options and presets that we can select for that file extension. So these are the options for the MP4. If I were to select the MOV, we have different options here that we can select, and each of them has the custom ability where you can enter your custom dimensions. So I have a sample video here which is currently in the .mov format. So I'm going to click this, drag it, and drop it. And once I do that, we can see that we have our file inserted here. Next, I'm going to choose MP4 because I want to export this and convert it from the MOV into the MP4. So I'm going to do that, and then down here for our different profiles, I need to select which one that I would like to use when converting this file. So for this example, I want to export this in 1280 by 720 HD because that's what my video is recorded in. So I'm going to select that there, and then all I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Convert Now. And when I do that, we can see the software instantly starts converting that video in real time, and we can see just how quick it's going. So in a matter of seconds, the software has taken my video and converted it into MP4 format, and we can see I now have my MP4 over here on the right hand side. Now let's go ahead and compare the compression that the software did for me here. So it's the same video, the same HD quality, and this is my original video. So if I click on Get Info, we can see that this video was 57 megabytes, okay, 56.9. So let me close out of that, and now let me open up the newly compressed one. And when I open that one up, we can see that this one is 9 megabytes, okay? So we went from 60 down to 9, and we didn't lose any quality at all in the video itself. It's still full HD, and it looks great, all right? So that's just how simple it is to use the Explaindio Video Converter to take your video files and convert them and compress them into any of the following formats without losing any quality of your video itself.